Good morning everyone. My name is Fahad Islam Faisal alongside with my group member. My group member's name is Hasanullah Khan Shubto, Mahmudul Hassan Umi, Muhammad Nasif Hussain. Today our presentation topic is pick and place robot. Pick and place robot. Now I would like to give the introduction of the topic and a little bit history that behind on this topic. Introduction. A pick and place robot is the one which is used to pick an object and place it in the desired location. It can be a cylindrical robot providing horizontal, vertical and rotational movement. It can be also a spherical robot providing two rotational and one linear movement. Now I would like to talk about the history of pick and place robot. Pick and place robot, it was established first in 1937 by Bill Griffith P. Taylor and later in March 1938, the Meccano magazine published it. It was published on Meccano magazine. So pick and place robot is a crane-like device that was built almost entirely using Meccano part and powered by a single electric motor. For the very first time, the robotic pattern established in 1954 by George Devil. Now my group member will continue the next part.
Assalamu alaikum. I am Hasanullah Khan Shubto. Now I will talk about the parts of pick and place robot. There are major 5 parts of pick and place robot: a rover, end effector, actuators, sensors and controller. A rover. It is the main body of the robot consisting of several rigid bodies like cylinder, spare, joints, links. It is also known as manipulator. End effector. It is the body connected to the last joint of the rover, which is used for purpose gripping or handling. It can be analogy to the arm of human being. Actuators. There are the drivers of the robot. It actuates the robot. It can be any motor like servo motor, stepper motor and hydraulic cylinder. Sensors. They are used to sense the internal as well as external state of the robot. Sensors involve touch sensors, IR sensors, touch sensors. It is controller. It is used to control the actuates based on the sensor feedback and control the motion each and every joints. Now I will talk about the working principles of pick and place robot. The basic function of pick and place robot is done by its joints. Joints are analogous to human joints, are used to join 2 consecutive rigid bodies in the robot. The first of the base is attached with wheels which provide the linear movement. The first rigid body is fixed and support the second rigid body, to which the end effector is provided. The second rigid body is provided with all movements in 3 axes and has 3 degrees of freedom. It is connected to the first body with a rotational joint, and the end effector should accommodate all 6 degrees of freedom in order to reach all the sides of component to take up position to any height. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum everyone, I am Muhammad Nasif Hussain. Today I am going to tell you about the methodology and practical applications of pick and place robot. Methodology. A simple pick and place robot consists of 2 rigid bodies on a moving base connected together with rotary point. A rotary point provides rotation in 360 degrees in all axes. The bottom base is attached with wheels which is provide a linear movement. The first rigid body is fixed and support the second rigid body. The second rigid body is provided with the movement in all three axes has 3 degrees of freedom. It is connected to the body with a rotational joint. The end effector should accommodate all 3 degrees of freedom in order to reach all sides of the component to take up position and height. Applications: industrial applications. This robot also used in manufacturing to pick up required parts and place in correct positions. Medical applications. This robot can be used in various surgical operations like joint replacement, orthopedic, and internal surgery operations. It performs the operations with more accuracy. Defense applications. It can be used to surveillance and also pick up harmful objects like bombs and defuse them. This robot also can be used in nuclear material handling. Now my friend Mahmoud Hassan Onik is going to tell about more of this robot. Thank you.
Hello, assalamu alaikum. This is Mahmoud Hassan. My topic is pick and place robot. So I am continue about that. There is a lots of advantage in pick and place robot. There is a speed, accuracy. That means flexibility, safety, consistency, cost saving, etc. And the advantage of the first one is speed. Pick and place robots allow for faster cycle times. The pick and place robot can perform operations at the above the speed your operating requires. And the other one is accuracy. Robotic system are more accurate and consistent than their human counterparts. Then the other one is flexibility. Pick and place robots are more easily programmed and always flexible. They are able to accommodate multiple changes and product shape in any type, etc. In addition, robots provide a high level of movement flexibility. The other one is safety. Safety is an essential part of the workplace. Pick and place machine make factory floors safer. This means worker no longer need to perform labor intensive time and again. The other one is cost saving and consistency. Cost saving incorporating pick and place robot can effectively cut your cost. Robotic precious reliability allow for less wastage and efficiency use of time. Plus, the initial investment in robots is quickly recouped. So the robots are an extremely cost-effective solution. So this is the part, and my last one is conclusion. So this robot pick and place the object from one place to another. Concept of automobile and robots are combined in the project. Arm drive is also used for power steering. Chassis is used for base of the robot. It is used to assembled line material headlining, etc. So this project is give the way for providing bigger effective robot for industrial application, and this is all of my part. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.